Hi, I'm Marna, and I'm not buying any more dolls. I have enough dolls. Some days I have too many dolls. I wonder what's in the box. So I saw these on eBay, and it was a really good deal. And I put my bid in, and I was so surprised when Darren said, you know, you won that auction. Really? For the dolls? Yeah, you won. So I went and looked, and then I went and paid, and then I laughed because I'm not getting any more dolls. But at the price of these dolls, it was like an investment. So I say, okay, what did I get? Oh, good God, what did I get? Okay, they are wrapped really nice. I appreciate that. Ooh, which one first? Let's go with this one. So I got a lot of 3. And, oh, wow, those are some cute little shoes. Can you see the embroidering on that? These are red velvet shoes. And I'm betting they are American Girl shoes. They are embroidered. This little sweetie has on an American Girl outfit. Oh, wow, she's really pretty. Has real decent hair. I can fix that lickety-split. Look at that. Seems right and tight. That one's a little loose, but man, not bad at all. Arms, good. Let's see if she has, oh, she has pants on. Oh, I hope it's not those perma pants, but I'm okay with it. See if she has a tag. She does have an American Girl tag, and she has panties under her outfit. Wow, that's really cute. I'll pull her up later. Let's move on to the next girl. Yep, she's American Girl. I got an American Girl hanger, official hanger. Look at this pretty girl. Oh, wow, here's something else. I do believe this is, yes, an American Girl outfit, official outfit. Oh, I can fix this hair. No problem. Oh, what a pretty face. She has some markings on her face. I'm betting Mr. Magic Eraser will get those. Looks like somebody might have added some blush or something. We'll look at it. All right, she's a little looser. I'm okay with that. Looks like original American Girl clothes and American Girl tag. I really like her. No shoes, but I have shoes. Her leg is, yeah, we'll have to tighten those. They're a little, they're out of joint. I'm okay with that. You see, they're a little loose down in here. I'm okay with that. We'll go in. We're going to get some cord and see how we can absolutely restring these girls. All right, and then the third one in this lot. Now, in the picture, she looked like she had something red on her face. Oh, she does not. And here she is. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Look who I got. Oh, dear. That is going to take some work. What do we got here? I think we have a band. Yep. We have a rubber band cut up in there. I'm not going to pull at this. That's going to take some scissors and a pin brush. But look at that. Cool man cool. And again, she's got a little green mark on here and a little mark here and some green on her face, and it's kind of shiny green. It's like somebody got into makeup. I hope that's all it is. It looked red in the photo, but it's not. Oh, let's see her eyes. Oh yeah, they're fine. I just had her kind of sideways. All right, legs. We can fix that. That's not a big deal. They're not awful. Arms are tight. A little green. Let's see the rest of her. Yeah, it's just that little bit. And I'll tell you that, what is it called? The Spray Oxy cleaner is, fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about my 3 new girls. I'll get them cleaned up. You'll see their videos and we'll see what kind of, clothes we can put them in. Thanks for watching.